What is going on, everybody? We back with another video on updates on ticker symbol MULN. I appreciate y'all coming back for another video. If you're new, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to get more content coming from me. We're gonna get right into this video because there is something that is fishy looking that I want to show you all, and I don't know if it is a coincidence or if it could be something relevant or something that is revealing to Mullen Automotive's next move. First off, let's talk about the last updated chart. While I was talking about 36 to 38 cent, if it could hold, we could see a curl up here in this triangle and possibly pushing back up to the outside. But however, shorts were able to push us down to this other line that I had already drawn up around the 32 cent level. And what is fishy about that is if you follow the line all the way back from where we are now, 32 cents, you can see where, I don't know if y'all remember, you can see where we had these spikes at 4 a.m. on 2 different days to exactly 32 cents. We had a spike here to 32 cents at 4 a.m. and another one here. So that is kind of fishy to where this price action is today. The reason why it possibly got pushed down to 32 cents right here, that may be an important zone or price point for a reversal, but that just looks fishy to me. And as you can see, the MACD tried to curl up here and started having a couple green candles, pretty much trying to fake us out again like it's been doing in the past previous trading days. It's just been a ladder attack after a ladder attack, coming off of that 65 cent high. But yeah, just wanted to point that out. Just let me know what y'all think about that 32 cent mark, and if y'all think it's any relevance to us hitting 32 cent on these spikes in 4 a.m. pre-market back in October 12th and also on October 14th. Next topic on the agenda, we're about to discuss why Benzinga feels that Mullen Automotive has a valuation disconnect. Valuation disconnect meaning simply that Mullen Automotive as a company and the stock price is not valued at where it's supposed to be. And they are wondering why the price on Mullen Automotive is so low. And you may ask, well, isn't a lot of these stocks in the market right now not valued at where they're supposed to be? Whether it's due to high inflationary numbers being released or what may have you, that's a good question. But the thing with Mullen Automotive is that many are starting to realize that the gluttony of PRs that's been released on Mullen Automotive is not fluff, and it's actually company updates, strategic moves, and people are realizing that this company is just simply heavily manipulated and the price is not matching where people are thinking the valuation is supposed to be. Benzinga says Mullen Automotive's quad of updates, aka gluttony or plethora, including 66% debt reduction, expose a valuation disconnect worth seizing. On an intra-month basis, the increase was more impressive. During its peak in October, Mullen stock skyrocketed by over 177%, and the more excellent news is that those gains are holding despite turbulent market trading, and a Mullen update on Wednesday considerably strengthened an already bullish proposition that, when all told, adds to the reasons why investors may want to take advantage of a valuation disconnect between Mullen stock and its revenue generating arsenal sooner than later. The opportunity in many respects looks too good to ignore. By the way, many investors aren't. In fact, even ahead of Wednesday's announcement, a herd of investors started paying closer attention to the moves made by Mullen in just the past few weeks, and combining their influence with a heavy dose of short covering, they appear to have created a path of at least resistance for Mullen shares to the appreciable upside. That's a trend likely to continue, noting the company updates, not hype, are driving the Mullen rally. In fact, Mullen just dropped some news that should have investors excited and shorts running for cover. And this news they're speaking of is the one that I mentioned in my previous videos about Mullen eliminating $13 million of debt and having about $10 million in debt left on the books. And finally, Benzinga says the bulls have taken the Muln reins. Still, valuations can change quickly, and from the looks of trading, it's already starting to, not because Muln stock is part of a Momo play, but because they are executing a growth plan that is beginning to develop and bear financial fruit faster than many expected. Muln's updates, all accredited to a revenue generating plan, prove that point. Then it goes into say, thus, while particular parts of the Muln opportunity are attractive, it's the sum of them that should be attracting investors' attention. Its expansion into overseas markets, the strong demand for its vehicles, potentially in industry best battery technology, and an ability to find and fill niche opportunities with billion-dollar potential are indeed worthy of earning that. The most important consideration, though, is that Muln's mission of creating sustainable value appears far from over. Recent transactions and updates show that's the case, and more importantly, that momentum is on its side. That combination spells out a clear bottom line. Taking a position in Muln is more than a compelling consideration. It's a timely one. Very bullish statements on Muln Automotive coming from Benzinga. Hope y'all find this information valuable. Let me know what y'all think, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay charged. Don't feed the fear. I'm gone.
Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through